Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer, and I want movement to be something that helps people to live their lives more easily. So I know that a lot of people have trouble getting up off the couch. Today's workout is designed so that you can do it while seated on your couch, and it's gonna help you to build the strength to get up off your couch more easily. You can go ahead and sit back on your couch for this first move, just like you're comfortable watching TV. And I want you to bring your knee up. You can grab behind the knee or you can grab around the shin, and then squeezing your armpits and driving your elbows back. Pull your knee in towards your chest, or more accurately, pull your chest up towards your knee. I'm trying to squeeze my armpits and drive my elbows back towards the couch as I pull myself up towards that knee. So this is one strategy that you can do to stand up off your couch. Okay, go ahead and bring down the other leg. Let's bring that knee up. You can always pull it up to yourself too. Arms are wrapped around that leg, and now I pull myself up to the knee. You could also grab a nearby blanket, wrap it around that shin, and use it to help you pull up if you're not able to wrap your hands all the way around your knee. Remember, you're squeezing your armpits, you're squeezing your shoulder blades together. 3, 2, and 1. Let that knee come down. Next one that we're gonna do, I'm going to pull my heels towards my butt. My legs are just hanging off the edge of the couch. I'm gonna pull them towards me, so I almost create like a hamstring curl in the back of my legs. And while I do that, I'm going to push my hands into the couch to come up, and then just let yourself flop back down. That's okay. Again, I pull my legs into the edge of the couch and push with my hands to come back up. We're gonna do that variation a few times. So you should be feeling this in the backs of your legs and even in your arms as you're using both of them to help you come up to that seated position. You might also feel like your core muscles are working to help push you up. And then even though that my legs aren't really moving, know that they are squeezing. All right, now the next variation, we're just gonna use the legs. This one you might wanna scoot yourself up a little bit for on the couch. I'm doing the same motion where I'm pulling the heels in towards me. It makes it easier if I actually plant my feet on the floor. And now I'm squeezing the heels towards me into a sit-up. You can just let yourself fall back against the couch, squeezing them towards you, let yourself fall back down. This is a lot more leg activation, a lot more core activation, because we're not using the arms anymore. But both of these, like pretty much everything that we've done so far, are just strategies to help you get up off the couch more easily. But by practicing them with repetition, we're getting stronger so that it's easier for you to do them when you only need to do them one time. Let's do one more of these and then let yourself fall back down one more time. Last strategy, and then we're gonna repeat all of that. I'm going to roll over to my side. So I'm letting my elbow and my forearm roll onto the couch. I plant my other hand, and then you can either stop here or you can join me in pushing the hands into the couch to lift your butt up and then coming back down. Elbow and forearm, roll over onto the couch, plant the hand. You can stop there or you can push up and back to the sit. Let's do that a few more times and then we'll try it on the other side. Now for this one, I give the option to not come all the way up because I know that pushing into the couch, that does put your wrists into quite a flexed position. Let's do one more and then switch directions. Great, okay, I'm gonna roll over other side, elbow and forearm roll into the couch. That could be the move, or you can progress it and push yourself up and back to seat. So this is a little bit more of an arm and tricep workout as you're using your upper body to help push yourself up off of the couch. But again, if it's irritating your wrists, you don't need to do this one. Just do what works for you. Okay, whew, catch your breath for a second. We're gonna do all 3 of those exercises again. We're gonna do the advanced variations of the movements, but again, you can do the easier version if that's what you need to do. All right, let's do all of this one more time, starting with that knee wrap. Again, you can use a blanket or a towel if you need to. Wrap around your shin, we pull up, and then let yourself come back down. You could also like pull your leg away from you as you're rowing. That might get you even higher up. But mostly on this one, I'm using my back muscles and my arm muscles to pull me up. One more and then let's switch. Okay, other leg comes up. What happens if you have a belly or breasts that get in the way? Very common. For that one, I would use the strategy of bringing the leg out further and pulling myself towards the leg, as opposed to trying to bring the knee in towards the torso. So trying to extend the leg a little bit more and pulling up there. Let's do one more. Good. All right, let's go into that harder variation of that leg curl. Feet are planted on the floor if you can reach them. Legs curl in towards the corner of the couch. And then I'm sitting up. Let yourself fall back down. Curling the legs. Let yourself fall back down. Remember to breathe on this. You might be getting a little bit warm as we go through these motions the second time. Think about squeezing the backs of your knees together, using the couch for leverage. Last one. And let's roll over to the side. I put the elbow and the forearm onto the couch, and then I push with both hands back to seated. If you want more help and more practice on getting up to standing positions from the floor or from a seated position, check out some links I have in the description below. Also, if this video is helpful to you, give it a like and subscribe. Let's switch to the other side. This is our last move today, and then you're gonna be finished. And as you're doing this, I want you to feel good about yourself, because doing these movements means that you have fit movement, you fit fitness into your day today in a way that works for you and your lifestyle. And relax. And that's what's really important. That's how you build that momentum, how you keep that movement going on a more consistent basis. If this workout was helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.